If I were to tell you that you could whip up a fancy Belgian mousse in just minutes, would you give it a try? Well, you can, and it's as easy as can be. We start by heating some milk in a saucepan, just to the point where it's hot, but not boiling. While that's heating up, we add some chocolate chips, sugar, and instant coffee granules to a blender. Now that our milk is hot, we slowly add it to our blender and give it a whirl until it's smooth. At this point, we set it aside while we finish whipping up some heavy cream until it reaches the stiff peak stage. This takes a few minutes, so be patient. Now that the chocolate mixture is cooled, it's time to fold it into our whipped cream. Do this gently so you don't break down the cream. All that's left to do is spoon our mousse into wine glasses or coffee cups. This is when you may want to sneak yourself a taste. Once it sets up, top it with some whipped cream and get ready to enjoy a creamy, dreamy chocolate mousse that you'd expect to find in a five-star restaurant. To get the recipe for our Blender Mocha Mousse, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a European kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.